We just got my dad's 2022 Jeep Wrangler Willys Xtreme Recon in the limited edition Gobi here. Let's check it out and take a deeper look into what all this Jeep has to offer. Now, if you guys have been following on my full-time, my work channel at Susquehanna Auto, I've talked about this Jeep for a little bit in a couple of the videos, and some of you guys even let me know, how cool that is that he ordered this one. And I will say it finally came in. Now, my dad ordered this a few months ago, and he said the only way he was gonna get into a brand new JL, he loved his JK, if they came out with the Gobi. So they did. We actually had one ordered a little bit before. He's like, I don't think Gobi's coming out. We'll order it in Sarge, get the tan top, get that, but it wasn't absolutely everything he wanted. A week later, this color dropped. We changed the order and got this in for him. Now, the cool thing with this Jeep is not only is it Gobi, but it is in the Willys trim. So this is the first one I've seen in the Willys with the Xtreme Recon. It's finally here. It's got 90 miles on it, and what all my dad decided to get on his brand new Wrangler. Now, there are two variations with the Willys package. There's a Willys Sport and then the Willys Wheeler. This is the full-on Willys that has power windows, power locks, as well as the full LEDs up front. So LED headlights, fog lights, and the LED daytime running light and turn signals in the fenders here. But as you can see, standard, same on the JK and on the rest of the JLs, you do get the gloss black grille as well as the gloss black inserts into that plastic front bumper. One cool thing about the Willys Xtreme Recon is that you do get the raised Rubicon fender flares. So you're increasing your clearance and also getting a really nice splittable fender flare that you can get a ton of clearance out of. The one downfall with the Willys package that you can't get color match fender flares. That is exclusive to the Rubicon when you get the Xtreme Recon package. But overall, I think the black as well as this tan and even the gloss black on the front really tie into each other very, very well. Moving right along to the side, you will see the Willys logo right on the hood here. These aren't vented hoods. They come with the standard sport hoods on there. I still think it looks really nice. Maybe in the future we could do a hood upgrade, paint match a Rubicon and put it on there. But on the same thing with the Xtreme Recon, you're gonna get the fender flare extensions, those high-rise fenders, as well as the 315/70/17 BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain. So those are down below here with those beadlock capable Xtreme Recon wheels. I absolutely love the look of this, and I think a lot of the blacks and grays, and then with the earth tone of the Gobi, it just fills in completely perfectly on this vehicle. We're gonna move along the side, talk about something in the back that I think might have been a factory error, or it might have been something that I'm just not aware of yet, but we'll move along to that and then check out the interior and all the options he got in there. Now on the side too, the cool thing with the Willys package is that you do get completely blacked out decals and badging. That includes your Jeep, your Wrangler Unlimited, as well as the Trail Rated badge, and any other badge on the exterior is gonna be blacked out on this trim. Now on the back, we've got all the same standard features that is on the Xtreme Recon. So you've got the extended camera mount, beadlock wheels, the hinge gate reinforcement, and the upgraded carrier, as well as the extensions for the taillights. But what I wasn't sure about and kind of confused was the fact that these got LED taillights. Now my dad didn't get any safety group, any advanced safety group, and this is a base Willys. So typically the Willys included just halogen taillights and the rest was LED. I can remember working on a lot of the 2019, 2020 Willys models, and they included just standard halogen taillights, but for some reason they added LED onto this vehicle. But it's even weirder because I thought to myself, maybe they do that with all Xtreme Recons. They only have LEDs for these packages, but I've actually worked on a Rubicon that had halogen taillights with the extensions. So not sure if it's a factory error, but it's a good factory error because we got some LEDs on here. Now the cool thing about the Willys package is that you can really pay for exactly what you want. Now in this vehicle, you can see the dash panel. It's pretty much the same as every other JL. We do have those darker gray dash panels here, which we might be modifying here in the future. This one did come with the 7-inch Uconnect 4 screen, and then just the basic center cluster. So not the digital or not the complete color display up here, but Dad got everything that he wanted to in this vehicle. Now when you're upgrading from a JK to a JL, there's a lot to be had, including heated seats, heated steering wheel, and remote start, which is one of the big things that he was looking forward to. The cool thing also with this is we did go with the HD electrical group, which comes with aux 1 through 4 down below, as well as the hitch and all the wiring in the back already ready to roll. We've got everything set up in here just the way he wanted to, with no extras, no frills, and keep that price point down while still giving a great Jeep on the exterior. Then the interior, he opted for some things that he really liked. If you can't tell, he does like the color tan, so we did the tan and black cloth seats in here. I gotta say, we don't see a ton of these come in, but when we do, I really like them depending on the exterior color. With the Gobi tan, it's not a ton of contrast, so these blend really well with the Gobi, but when you have the top and doors off of this, you'll see the tan flow right through to the interior, and I think we're really looking forward to taking that top off and seeing what all that looks like. Now, on top of everything else that is rare with this vehicle, he decided to go with the dual top group, and inside this box is the now non-orderable tan Sunrider soft top. There's a premium top in there. He's also got the floor mats up here because the box hasn't been been removed yet, but it is stuffed pretty tight in here. They put some foam, and if you're wondering why if you order the dual top group, you can't get too much else, this is your reason why. It takes up pretty much the entire back area. I can't wait to get this out of here, put it in the garage, and then swap the hard top onto the tan top so we can see what a tan top on a tan Jeep with a tan interior looks like. That's gonna be really cool. All right, guys, well, that was the first look at my dad's 2022 Jeep Wrangler Willys Xtreme Recon. This is in the Gobi tan, and I gotta say, I absolutely love this Jeep, and you will be seeing it here on the channel for more mods, more deep breakdowns of all the parts we put on it, as well as just all the goodies that came with this vehicle. Now, until next time, I am Matt from Dirt Road CRED. Get out there and earn yours.